I got the West Allis cheese and sausage shop. We're gonna try it out. We got the French fries and the chorizo burrito, which I've had over a year ago. I think it was. I don't remember the last time I've had it. The burrito I remember being pretty wild. This is the burrito. I asked for extra sauce on the side. The sauce does come on the inside, and I also asked for no peppers and onions. Man, look at that! It's just like it's stuffed. I mean, they use like high quality stuff there. Like it's crazy eggs, everything. I mean, they have like a butcher. They own a butcher shop next door too. So like they're using quality ingredients. The only thing I'm not the biggest fan of there is their potatoes. I feel like they use a cheaper potato. I don't know if they're the same in the burrito or not, but if you get like a side of breakfast potatoes, they're like those little bit cheaper ones. I'm not a big fan. That's why I got the French fries today. Let's try it with the sauce too. It's just like, oh, it's got a little spice in there. It's the quality of even the tortilla is really good. Like the tortilla, the eggs, the potatoes in here are actually better than the ones I was talking about. This sauce is nuts. It's a chipotle mayo sauce that they put in there. Just hard to dip. It's a little messy. All the meat in there. This is really, really good. Like this is, I didn't think, I wasn't sure if I wanted to go today. There's so many other places to try. But this, if you live in the West Allis area or you work in the West Allis area, this is one of those places that you go to all the time. You at least go to one of their businesses. They got like a whole block of their businesses because the guy knows what he's doing. I actually used to know, he'd probably still recognize me today, but I used to see him all the time when I worked next door. Man, I just dipped everything in there. Man, that is insane. There's a good amount of sauce, I guess, on the inside, I think. I asked them to put it on the inside and I want an extra side. So I think there's enough sauce in there. Maybe. I mean, I personally, not like I've been getting a little more saucy with these with these restaurants, but this one I feel like is very good with the extra sauce on there. Man. And then, so this is their basic fries. I think it's a small fry. Everything all together was $20. I don't know if that's a little expensive or not. The fries looked better in the picture. I actually haven't had their fries in forever, so I don't remember what they were. They look pretty kind of basic. Yeah, just a basic fry. They're actually they're seasoned a little perfectly, like just a little salt. Nothing crazy. We're gonna try it with the sauce though. That's a good sauce. I wish more of these places put the sauce, like if you could buy it by the bottle or something, because this is crazy. I really wish they had a better quality. Like it's same thing with their potatoes. The potatoes are like, they're just average. They taste good. Like they're in their, they have the potatoes in their skillet and it's fine in the skillet because it's mixed with everything else. But like if you get a side of breakfast potatoes, maybe some people like them, I'm not knocking them, but it's drier. It's like they just threw some frozen potatoes in the oven. That's what it seems like to me. I don't think they're like fresh potatoes or anything like that. I'm sure it's a pain to do that. These potatoes in the burrito, though, seem like they're better than the ones that they have on the side. Man, it would be nice if they had a smaller French fry too. This is a pretty big French fry. That's like a box. Man, I just can't get enough of this burrito. I haven't had this in a while. This is for sure probably the best thing on their menu. Ah, man. So they got crazy cheese curds I know of. And I used to get their meatball sub too. A lot of their food is really good. You know, it's hard to be mad at them about the sides. Their main courses are just that good. You know, maybe they're not as worried about the sides. I don't know. If it were up to me, I would suggest getting a different selection of sides. But their cheese curds are crazy though. It's enough food. The half of the burrito, you're probably good. You know, like back in my day, I'd probably overeat and I'd eat the whole thing. I'd be super full. But like half a burrito, you're good to go. Man, the more and more I think about it, I'm a little disappointed with the French fries. But it's still, I mean, they're not bad. They're not bad French fries. They're just, I expect more from a place with that insane of food. Is that at least they would have like an insane French fry. But you know, there's not a lot of places with like really good French fries. Either way, Cheese Shop, check it out. This is like easily probably one of the most popular restaurants in West Allis. If you haven't been there, for sure try it. They're open pretty early too. It's a good date spot, good place to pick up food. If you're in the area, you know, it's right down the road. They got Beat Your Meats right down there. They got a Rice Krispie place on the same block. There's a bunch of stuff to do. I think even during the summer they do a bunch of events. So definitely check it out.